Chapter 6, Sustainability and Development of Tourism. So, part ko. Maximize social and economic benefits to the host community and minimize negative impacts. B1. Economic benefits. The economic contribution of tourism to the destination's economy is monitored and publicly reported. Yung contribution daw ng economic of tourism ng destination economy, minomonitor ng pampublikong report. Pampublikong reported. B2 local career opportunities. The destination provides fair and equal employment opportunities and training for women, youth, minorities, and other vulnerable populations in tourism, including paying a fair wage, providing in management positions where restrained child labor. The destination has a program to encourage and facilitate public participation in tourism planning and decision making on an ongoing basis. B. For local satisfaction. Community aspirations, concern, and satisfaction with tourism are regularly monitored and publicly reported by the destination. B5. Local access. The destination protects local access to natural, historical, archaeological, religious, spiritual, and cultural sites and attractions, including land and aquatic resource use, right-of-way, transport, and housing. B6. Tourism awareness. Tourism awareness program are regularly offered for residents of the destination. B7. Preventing exploitation. The destination has implemented a policy against commercial, sexual, or any other form of exploitation and harassment, particularly of children, adolescents, women, and minorities. B8. Local community support. Tourism sector of all stakeholders are actively involved in developing and supporting adequate community and infrastructure development initiative. B9. Fair trade principles. The destination has a program in place to support local small entrepreneur and promote local sustainable products and services and fair trade principles that are based on the area's nature, history, and culture, including food, vegetable, craft, performance arts, agricultural products, etc. B10. Tourism enterprise performance. The destination has programs to support economic sustainability in small and small-size tourism-related enterprises.